In this video, I'm going to show you how you can resize a photo in a GIMP. So I hope guys with this short tutorial, you're going to learn something that's going to save you time so you don't have to watch a 1 hour tutorial about how you can use GIMP. Very nice software, app. So let's jump right in this video now. So what you have to do here, we have this image here. And I'd like to first to check the resolution of this photo. So I'm gonna have to go to image here, and then here we have image properties. And then here in image properties we have size in pixels, we have print size, we have resolution, we have color space, precision, file name, file size. Okay, I'm not gonna read everything. So now what we're gonna have to do, resize this, we're gonna have to go back to image, and here we have scale image. Or if you want to change the canvas size, you can click here, but I'm gonna click here first on scale image. Then make sure you have this check so it's even. So I'm gonna here put 100 just for the sake of this video. If it's like this, you know, when you type it's changing, so it's even. So then I can click on scale, and then voila, it's scaled. But if I zoom in, as you can see, the quality is very bad because I just changed to a low quality image. And well, now you can also go to image here and then scale and change canvas size if you want. But it changed also while the image size changed, automatically canvas size changed as well, because you can see we have a different resolution here. We can also change the canvas here, but if you do that, then the size of the image will not change. You have to resize it. As you can see, it's so much different because now I can go to transform, and then I can rotate this image if I want to, or I can go to image here, and then I can transform the image. I can scale the image. So here's the image, and you can also go here and maybe you can click on fill canvas to layer if that's what you want, you know. That's one solution. Well, you can also go to image, and then you can scale image, and this is usually just a shortcut. Instead of going there at the top, you can also go here, and you have a lot of options. You center image to window, flip, rotate, zoom, and this is related to the image. You have crop, you have scale, you have fix canvas to layers, transform, mode. So yeah, I hope you found this helpful, and just make sure you subscribe for more. And by the way, maybe you might want to go to tools, and here in tools we can well, we can do a couple of stuff. In transform tools we have scale. If you want, you can scale now the image. I don't know, maybe that's something you were thinking to do. Anyways, thanks for watching, and take care.